Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of the area where una they see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another ogbonge matter come again. My people, you don't set again for inside social media. My people, not be smart you for this Sarah T BOZ and her sisters. Vera TV program. My people, not be small matter how they happen for inside life. Make I live una, make una enjoy this Umenwa video where Umenwa for talk to most of them. Sarah, Vera, Gbogbo, Rita Ayemiomo, my people, not be small matter. Make I live una, make una listen to this very video. Please not forget to like and share this video, and also drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us what you think about this very video.
Who posted it first was Spirit God Set, a finished saga. Anamwe elakasera, anamwe yimohu, anamwe pure water, anamwe yimohu. When I show you, we le better. You might take anything. You might not take picture where we like it. My way to the same day. You understand? But even in your mind, you still go to your wall and delete that picture, that post. Who delete it? Post it. The wall when I was 60 where Umo we like it. During that period, we post so many. If you look, you when you email we like and you give way. Then the next one I delete the picture post it. Now it's normal. I don't know how you boy. Oh God, don't bless. No man can touch. It's just the way it is. I understand when you are behave in our work. Or forgive you, no forgive you, no man forgive you. You might post Sarah. I didn't like Sarah. I did not forgive Sarah. I did not post Sarah. I did not celebrate Sarah. I did not congratulate her. That is for you. You understand? He might congratulate her, he might post her. He doesn't deserve congratulation from me, he deserves an insult from me. Because you insulted my wife. Including my own children. But Bobby, it does not warrant me to start posting or writing recipes, sagani achu or yeah. No. That's just when I went, oh yeah, is still my son. Oh, you was I will kill her. Now she meet. I mean, me, I'm the innocent boy. I'm not concerned me. Even though the Bible said the sin of the father shall follow the children, even to the generation. And that will not warrant me to start bullying the children, the innocent boy. No. That's good. I don't have business with that. My major problem, unfinished business, is with me and the mother. Honor saga we can't temper your way. You just said it out now with your mouth. Or see you no lele no where we go. Una the picture here not one saga here. You just said it with your mouth. Are you not satisfied enough? You understand? My hair work in the Sarah do is totally unbearable. The social media now. But it's transferred some way. Why am I? Hey, Sarah, why are there some here streets? If you pump no, you have to keep it here another. If you see me, that woman just comfortably bring book, children picture come out. When I'm the way I see aganoma beer. You understand? I had no year that patient. Also, like Yuri, I give example. A lot of people are calling Yuri aganoma beer, but Yuri has never been one person picture out, baby picture. Come post and say rest in peace. She might reply by insulting the enemy of your children. Sometimes she will still say, I'm sorry. She will still return the cause. Act of anger. That's the paid person body. Now that anger will use the country to insult my children. You will use what the paid person of mine to mock that person. That person will still find what will pay you for mine to mock you. You understand? I let me not bog you. So for no good name. So what? Be woman who care like that work be. Carry on one side. Carry Yeah, where I am always say that, hey, yeah, the man has to bring us a piece of your picture. Hey, yeah, always say like, for example, me, I've actually made the Sarah, under the swallow, you are pregnant. Oh, my God, no, I saga. No, I get saga. Keep calm. Based on Umenwa at this video. Go relax yourself. Calm yourself. No gather stress. Wow, saga, saga, on a go aside, on a go aside. Panana, they don't borrow your hand. I am on what couldn't they see? Hello? I greet you. What's up? Alright, let me put it on speaker. Let's speak now. Of course.
Sarah, for example, when you example, Sarah, oh yeah, oh you query, I better see peace. Here the Sarah Gulepa. In a Sarah, and Zuma, there Sarah Guina. Obviously that different. Obviously that different. Okay, jury.
Yes.
Oh, the time.
Yes.
Catchy there. Mommy love me rescue Guina. Eh?
Yes.
Sorry, catchy there. Rita Guina. Rita. Rita mommy love in Oreste Wina. Honor the mommy love. Honor the Rita.
Which is very bad.
Okay, onto the web case of the Malaysian Lolo. Lolo, Joseph winner. You get that.
Ikura. Very bad. Very bad.
We don't give you a we're not getting any generation. Only to a different time here. Every concern near you are better as a piece of job. Okay, now, go to them because I put on that. I don't take any job. Follow the fucking about here.
Radbob.
You didn't talk about the Shinanya. If they were massive oil kicking now, if they were massive oil kicking now, not the Vienna, they come on massive oil. Okay, can I like the carbon like a carbon massive oil? Always do a carbon. Always the recipe is very money. It's really a paper. We're not here to be able.
All right. Thank you very much. Then we'll talk. All right. Okay. Wesley. Thank you. Yes. Hello? Yeah, I'm hearing you loud and clear. Okay. Or else we can.
there is one thing the money we have to do. I got Kanya, I bring Namuka. Money your money will be a lene. There were all more, every night for your son. Then why I to Bexa, now we might a minor came my leg. All what Sarah did, it was wrong, right? Yeah. Only Katie me never. Yes, girl. Even the Sarah, we passes Sarah for. They take a woman in Latia, njoh more than the Sarah with Bonoma. Man, who need get to optimal so much. Or mommy who related to Grandma or woman, just send me. Njoh more, can I just say more about okay?
Exactly.
If this attitude can just stop, it will be very nice. Because I don't think there's any one of you, when you are sick, when you are soon that is to jubilate. That is very wrong. Only they know me as sick, they don't jubilate. They don't even know what they were doing. What would they gain? What are they going to achieve? They told me I'm boiling. Is it person like him out in my midst in this space? No, none of you will want to mix, right? And then why are also making it right? Then we shouldn't be taking it to heart. I don't know. Okay, a Kate and the other lady not Saba, or my call right? He had to get a way to say right. And then he always say right in social media now. Also, but it's not all women so it's Sarah delay, it's Sarah may do. Can they you are the main believe anything many of you speak unless it by Bible. But we don't believe this Sarah delay may who. I thought she was not having room. Did you know what it is? They pushed that gate. He are making Sarah became a dog in social silent states. It became so hostile. Everybody know say no then let Benin everybody believe me. Personally, I believe. Yeah, I will pay my Sarah there. Yeah, me near your coach just give back that a fresh wound. I never knew again I mean. Saga, you guys should have a limit. Oh, you want here of senior sister Yano Ladia, no why the page you were not me of posted and their brother. Look at where all of those things is coming from. Esera yiwe ame na fashiwa. Etagini na mele. Ma ewa bere ago na etia ipe ya bene hu. Ewa na ba believe in. What cause it? Ekenu anya na lai uhare ni ata ato zoe. Eketi eni neketi esera anya ne shal. Etesera mau. Ye follow aiwa. Sensera ya me kwale bere ariwa. Again, it came. The disorder right now. Nobody know it is right. But you know the boy is seen or not asking. I can't really say. They will you, mama, have limits. You should have limits. Okay, they make you here forgiving. Why will you forgive him when he know he was not okay with it? You don't value. I never be next time. With my Ethiopia, you are my crown. Even now, okay, off my name won't quit. MOG. I want that thing now. Why woman? How will a man come out? You forgive me, say I know all play at the end of the day. You don't know the jail. That is to say, say, come on. You cannot do that. That is what people have been saying since yesterday. When I was saying I could be no feed them okay, right? On our set, on our upload day. I said another uploading at the end of the day came out. That is a big shame. So it's fun, they are mine, right? And then I have got so hot on my set, queen on our table, and I don't think I'm the amateur Jackson or what they do. Anybody know you see him game more? And my boy, I mean, no set, why would they come to social media about putting on that many other cemetery? Yeah, no more here. I want the best that I want God. No one let them win get me, and we are not happy. Remember, I said, I'm a woman, I swear to Almighty God. Okay, I have to do hammer. Please, open my yaki.
Wesley.
Take care.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right, so let me go straight to the reason why I'm here today. First of all, say no give kagogo. And no give. When a woman accept a woman as a friend, woman forgive her, you pretend to forgive her, and you even celebrate her, you post her after she delivered. At the moment you are there, what you and saga, you now wake up, you flame up again. We will pay back. You now came up. There's a point, even after and I want to let them understand your point. That you never genuinely forgive her. The same words that not only use way in you make it like me. And that was what you were doing. So it's the same thing with the friends you have now. Like number one, the one of Paris. Rita Ayemiomo, fibrous woman. You understand? Now, one of Paris, Rita Ayemiomo, boring now. And I see the way they are doing video. Yuri, be careful. Rita on record one. You understand? She might be recording. You are not a recorder, which I know. You're a recorder one. No. You're not the record. You're just get memory. If you deceive words for head, but your mind I record here. Rita is a smart woman that she's recording. She might be recording you with Yakuna. So be careful of whatever you are always telling her. Or iyobosa. I still repeat it. Or iyobosa. Because when we're dead in media, every weji, every kinyaji. Every weji, every kinyaji. Rita, no very a saga one baby. The Canada, or no more buying, or no matter you, only now we are here, only now we really tag me. In that Rita, Rita call. We are for the contaminant Rita, who go not Rita, that masses in that Rita. If we apart B, not Rita mama call. Before you keep blagging with anybody knowing you with Rita, you have 50,000 around. Rita now use my video ni. On a big petition against me in Nigeria way. Make a tenant courtist. I'm not a courtist to or wait tenant courtist near me. Take courtist ya Joe wearing a wa. Every time I have one of yammy, a family arresting or ya arrest of Teveniki. The same Atenatana, may I detect it for that? Make sure we investigate or not only retire later when they are the wrong person. Or you know, or you know, confess, or you know, make apologies to Rita. For Rita to know what again in the Yasun way, or what in the Arabian, or video, or no video Araburuku. Then Rita have with fake petition against my brother in Nigeria. On what I will present a hero. That was the reason when I Rita Amagbo, or Muja, Miragon, Aze. Benin jeji iritaji eke dan ka to si eka to si no gwelita oguje ekije ogwelita down iyore na be thinking maybe ne frank na hit Rita or not gwawerio enyo pa awon o give aya won any social media na ami o se use any live video na emanu weti o se we because Osiwe is also a friend to your enemy. So be careful the kind of friend you meet, go, you tell your secrets. You tell a man. Oh, see anyone the man when I'm here like here boy, but a battle memoir. I mean, you know why media. Especially when you involve social media live video presenters. I mean, now I. Ugana 1,000 views. Iyemonane Bovurene. Eso ta yawe ebo oyami view. Omagi ya wo no ga dia gbona we capital ya do wa gbona vi ha ma le gbe ade. Oluga no ga re we ki oba ya de. Aluga de kebi. Now, enogi ota se yo we. Iye ga mu to ta ko lele isira. Iye magele we me sira, iye magele forgive sira. Iye ga aro eyobo. What make you not think one of the Bekiana? Is it not the same thing, Nita? They know you why I over Toro why you go. In every nonsense, there is always a sense. Ebe ya ni atawa de na rie mo no we no ya we ni. Agbagye osi akonya magbe kan. Use your brain. Have a presenter. Eke na my party. We are on that see le gbe yan si do si na akoko do gbo won. Omo na ire as saga ma ti gbe na make na join together do gbo won. Ara mu sanfo Rita mi eji. Ara mu ayofo Rita mi eji. Bo ni eba na ya gbe Monica. Emi no da si bi yan ni. Kayo kisa kayo yiwa kane yiwa. O si le ya le gbe yan. No make na ya le Monica gbe na. Na so aso ne. Wa da yo okadokade no yen kwa pe video yan. Ya han la ze mawa. Now, wani bun di po le sera bien. Off wagbe. Yiyan blame wagbe because why am I say all wani bun. And le va se va ami no gogo ai gwe gogo. Ami no vie ai gwe vie. But when the meje me gwe sera gogo. That's the truth. Menti a pretend. Le lo won. When you wa jeri wa ta. E wa live life. Omo mo ni me gogo. Vedi meji me gwe sera gogo. E pretend le lo. E sera un dan. Un dan wa to si eno. Ariti na tena atinite gbe itile gbobe. Omaye latin ademaye nyan. Owesun awo saga ne. Wani bu ye po body le. Now, I want to play a video. Yale wana gwe. Eni wana gwe Mr. Edwin Idaosa. Wa talk besa, domosa. The social media president. He tell a video do una gbe pada. Una agogo ne. He said, off we Yaro are you? I listened to your video, it was a very nice one. Even okay, no more I behave or we are behavior. Because you say congratulations to Sarah and message to some presenters. Una so good presenters sigwan. Ni Ruby Sarah, ni saga Sarah, ni saga monobie, ni the recipe si monobie. That was a very nice one. Et pas the most we talk by Sadomosa. You man yana nak tamawe. It's so be na way. E don't come here eze lugure owa me ogbowane biu ata ono ti e bobo se so na we nipa we no we rima we wa no but o mai latian one day gbe recipe si ye picture mo we na di mo fi wo ti e bobo se wo ti e bo ni die wa se so na we wa the oga pata of them all after we o mi laki. But to my ladian one day we ere o use we ere one is the we una ze we una vi picture one ladian una gbe recipe si jopo my so no dey ati wo yo ba guys name we living in social media o my we down ati wo yo ba ya gbe recipe si picture ye u kona ka ve vomo o bi na ka ve e vomo we na we expect mo we pray to God so lo worry one day I see no reason why ya gbe recipe si iye one day and we expect the mothers to keep quiet ni ere react. Will it be a wedding? What makes you not think we're always not special than the one we're good at see? What makes you not think we're always is not special than the one we're good at see? Una expect when you are quiet. Now you as down as you are the social media president. You now expect when the rest other women you are good at see you they will not quiet. You call Sarah your daughter. Thank God I forwarded the video to you. They said, you always call people Ogyoba. You always label people Ogyoba on social media. I sent the video of Sarah to you now, and I was expecting a response from you to the palace. Do man watch the video? I will play that same video here now so that you will be here. Ekime Sarah do one batch and that's part one. I also have the part two. Where the Sarah ya feel begira here. You have never come out one day to address Sarah on that issue. If you genuinely love the palace and you are standing for the palace for truth, one day, you have to come out and apologize to the palace. One day, no one will talk about you do respect. A video you look it's very important because you are seeing you say you now you mo ba se ki lati wo ba se ki Ogyoba me ma ni video no ba se ki ya fi no bi egwa me ma ni video no ba se ki ya fi no bi egwa be me mi video no we tell your daughter At yesterday, now the video you did yesterday, you said Sarah is your daughter, your lovely daughter. In any video, number second half, you don't get but I've seen the video where your daughter is thrown out to the palace. A video of you on where of you where you have to get Guana. I'm going to play the video now so that we will make another damage. And I want to see your reaction on that same video. I have my we should not be pretending so not your yoma so not your yoba. It is not done. Obonaya will not what I am winning. I don't wear a young one or one. In my own intelligence, I have as a senior man. You would the way one word again. We even remember time I want to know our own. If you not concerning Sarah or beer or you were right. Even you don't tell a video, they're not believing we Sarah was in good terms with Benin people or so-called fellow presenters. That would have been the necessary things. When not being able to post the picture, as one point later. No man, you bow you boge. Let me remember where you know Ginabi. A GPC your day with your Ginogi. A Bonica where we if you where we on where we because when the love was there. You understand? Hello? Alpha. Oh, you watching me? You não tá vendo? Aí. Yeah, what's in that bell? So let's listen to the video. A little part of the video will lead you. Any act been what damn you. Here be a video. Now this
music they talk, you understand? And I still get another version again. When they say people know they like, when they take Oyibo they make a vow. This one at the time when also Oyibo will come back to that Benin, wipe the whole of Benin again.
Yeah.
At the time when Oyibo first come Benin, they wipe the Oba, kill and go bury for Calabar, throw the body for river.
No,
now this music they talk, you understand? And I still get another version again. When they say people know they like to the hear, they only like to hear the truth. The real where the thing really happen, they explain it. But they say Benin, the boy they talk about TikTok, say Benin people say they don't like na humiliation for them, because they really humiliate them. How back on it to back as they go back for too good that day. You know? I get the other version. So this one now waiting the talk. You know the year I will explain. Only Benin they do like that for the whole Nigeria. There's no other issue of king like that. No. Because of evil what they do. The other back on the talk say, no Benin, I don't know why, I don't know too. Now so people
yeah, but anyone. Why I watch a video? Why that blog? AB Paris. AB Paris he posted. Go and watch it on AB Paris. This same video. Also now my video now send the movie again now. You understand? No, so much thank God we the part the movie watch any. You understand? It's very important. Your own daughter is not the one insulting your own father. You understand? If I were talk baby. Your own daughter is not the one insulting your own father. I'm waiting for you. You can video with my reply say that. Because if they get father, where I go or beer. If I go, you know, fine. You understand? I go you like him now in a goji. Very maybe the here to go say that go. On my way I be by to go on. You understand? On my way I be to go on. But when they say that be Sarah is enemy of the Benin kid right from time. On that video, I say about that of his video. No, yeah, I we be bini, oh yeah, do me wa yo, be bini. A part the movie watch a video. You understand? Watch a video new. Why are you social media? Why are you the way maso? Everyone must watch you. Every maso, you social media. Everybody get different kind of mindsets. There are some people who are within it. If I know what wuji, if I saw him, I wuji or him so, or my wuji or him with here. Until when time reach, you go call him about you say, "Hey, now no so you na." You understand? Why go bole le why tie bole man tie bole? Why no sunu? You are always thinking of the physical. You don't think of the spiritual realm. Wait, what is really happening to this woman? Why be say this woman born? In your family, never hit them out. A family or woman setting. This is the question you guys are supposed to ask yourself first. In a different dimension, that you people don't know that this is not, it's not ordinary. This woman born, why busy in your family never bitter commerce? In your house, in your blood and flesh and blood, this is part of man never bitter commerce. Our words now don't cause chaos, don't cause agony, problem for their entire family. The senior sister come out now, bash this one come out now, bash senior sister. One of the come out, brother of the bash brother, sister of the bash brother, brother of the bash sister. For the family now because of Sarah. And you guys don't think something. Why all these things they happen? Instead of the family to be happy, say their daughter, when they think say, he don't get womb, God don't bless her, he don't born. For them to be rejoicing, happy, they are not fighting themselves. Like go check back to the atrocity that their daughter have done. Not just to the entire Benin women, to the entire Benin as a whole. Go reach the palace. Go reach our palace. They all of them afford and they start saying, why not going to saga picking? Why not going to do this one? It's not my business. Picking, I don't concern my home. No, the picking issue not even concern me. Now the woman, the atrocity of the woman. Any segoy. Time to stretch an issue like this come, you go stretch her amicably. She go know her faults. She still be proud of her stupidity. She still the bragado of her nonsense. She still sit down for life, you carry camera face body. See they talk. They insult people. They brag. With all this stupidity, all these insults which don't true to Benin Kingdom. Then where you supposed to stand? Where you as an elderly man supposed to sit down? Or where you say that on a few no get go. Why address they can all case when the handle the remaining things now or robuwe epa the social media president the remaining things now robuwe may post tell us and then now I have exposed her now. I have brought her the issue now. Now we leave the case to you. This is your fees. Oh, your bad now. And your bad will head to carry that video. It's not your custody. Walk by for what the video not give. Walk by money. When you go away, live generated and buy for what they give. Or not so go away. I don't know, but walk by for what they give. So, and I believe you have watched the video. They're gonna watch the video. You understand? So, imane support Sarah, ima blame me and ni support e. Ekeni ave yen seguire and support. And beside that, many people don't like momo and ari ogogolawa. You understand? It is good oma abie ave a wegogo ave gwesi one ave gwegbi. But onaga on dan obie. Beni me yeme gu munda gogo. Yetin jabu munda gogo. Omoni or jone won ya wa nwa. You know by one but ije on dan. Who hate that only the who they are disadvantage of insulting people's children. And be recipes yemo. Do we now you know to your bone more. It is better than go write recipes put. Because on my recipes you know they have posted up now. I went out one page now. One woman what they call boss lady. I entered the woman page. I see the picture with the woman where they don't post with she did the right recipes, they follow the picture. Even the woman picture, you see, you said I go write recipes for a picture. The woman, may I play the video for them? We make the video in the world. I can say that do what they support again. No one, no man, recipes here. If you working on feed, working on why I get with just normal thing. You understand? No, the scene as normal thing, you know. But you are not good recipes.
You don't want to say for Allah.
Lare ovio serekia, not your sipalo ye media.
Felicia.
Sarah, you say you post my son picture again.
Yeah.
You rest in peace for your sipalo son. Abi, you say they call for me. Hey, Sarah, as for you, you go fit beat me for this media, Abi. You go fit beat me for this media. Ademena velu we saga we Sarah, no gama biene. Ademana vela we wamana rochu go hospital. No gama biene. What?
The end should the work casty. Ye? Me a ye. Social media na what? Yeah.
Vera the Boncho, we want to know them. Vera, what be your problem?
Okay.
Vera, the disappointment was so massive, Abi. The disappointment where God disappoints you,
Vera,
when my mama disappoints you, okay. When his best will disappoint you, it's okay, Abi. When they say you can't pretend, can't beg, say me with forgive you.
Why did not even find? I go remember. Sorry, but I go. No vessel. Now this is where they talk.
I don't know say Sarah don't born. If not be your video when I watch now. I don't know say Sarah don't born. Sarah, you know say Olori Buruku nie? Sarah, you born, why you don't carry your pikin come outside? I been this thing you born. At that taller when you born, Sarah. Sarah, what's it gonna happen? Okay, I just say you get mine before. Why you not come post your pikin? Maybe you sabi post RIP for people, children. Maybe you sabi post RIP. Maybe for my 2 children, you post RIP. The picture still there with me. You post that. More than go Sarah T BOZ page. More than go see my children for there. When you post RIP give.
Okay.
Sarah, you come born, you come hide your own pikin. You see, Sarah, so you dey be. Waiting, you know what make people do for you, but you dey do it for people. Sarah, you see that your pikin when you born, they say 2 days when you take born am. Sarah, that pikin go back for your face, Sarah. I wait till these days. I don't wait. You just say I don't see the video. You just say I keep quiet because of that video, Abi. My people there, what are they follow me? I say Koselo take beg on. I'm not gonna no vex. This one I pay back time because Sarah look me finish. When they tell and say, stop to dey bully children. Stop to dey fight children. If you dey fight, mama, fight them. Not dey fight children. But you don't carry on the old children. Put her right. The same children where they hospital where they come and Sarah say they no go come outside. The children no come outside, they no survive. The way Sarah take talk. But Sarah bought the whole night keep her inside house. Sarah Omanyema Kudani. Ashori Burukuni. Sarah, RIP will be the portion of that baby will come outside for the womb. Me even pray say you born successful. So that we go see something talk. We go see person curse. I mean we go see person put RIP. Sarah, that your picky as you take born and so. You go back. RIP go they follow your pikin for starting of life to the end. I'm not gonna do this video make too long. The way body they take they pay me. But Sarah, I don't promise myself say if you born, I go give you back. Sarah, your children, not be your children, only this one. You go buy. Sarah, you go buy. Your pikin, you go buy. Maybe you see your blood sister, your own blood, flesh and blood, the same mama, the same papa. He come outside say, "Na so you tell him children said, na so you swear give him children." You see say no be only me one. Because on another day, you go learn how to remove children out of bullying. You go dey fight mama, you know go dey fight children. For that picture when you put for my children, before you type anything, first go Sarah page and go and see what Sarah do to my children. Sarah, that pikin when you born 2 days, you don't see him as a baby, you don't go see him if you grow. And so shall it be by the head of those children when you don't curse. And one more time, sorry for my follower there, because I don't supposed to do this, but I need to do it. Person not they forgive for this kind of thing. Person not they forgive for this kind of thing. This time around is do me and do you. Sarah, your pikin, as for now, RIP follower. RIP the follower. R.I.P. R.I.P. The king of Sarah. R.I.P. R.I.P. Fake king. R.I.P. Follow fake king. Yeah, king. Now God know whether na datole no na you born, and na God know whether na draft na you born. We don't know the one where you born now, but anyone where you like me you born, even though na monkey, even though na tortoise, even though na cock. R.I.P. follower in the name of Jesus. Amen.
Voila. Voila.
And not soon. This my adorable people. This video you are about to listen to, please don't laugh alone. You all know me. I am not a person close to Edide Koko Edide. Una know. But Koko Edide still tell us, say,
on this case. Me where the press. If you don't come for me, I will never
still tell us, say,
yeah, is your bomb,
before it stand up. So I believe all those things they affect our brain.
Well, we are going to make it of my area. If I can tanya one, we know when I will really enjoy here. What they got more, what they fake life. A little man, you fibros. A fibros is blocked or block uvuhi. It could be a yancy kayo. Oh, young baby, yo, Kokobiri, young baby, yo. Oh, what will that kind of yo? A little man, you enjoy, you enjoy kia, a miamero. Or not what this year do social media. Any one will kill of you. Yes, you go my, you to Tanya. Now you ain't the reply. One in the was
so she don't know what she did talk again. Mona have me listen to this video where she did talk. She said me hijack her plans. I mean, Mona have me ask her say, where me for see her plan hijack?
Wait, I was having a plan, but my plan didn't work.
I said I don't go laugh.
Lolekia saw my plan.
Stop it.
She hijacked it on the way I said she don't want it to be like that. She wants
I don't laugh, I don't tire. Koko say me, Lolo, hijack
this one.
She be get to plan. But me, Lolo,
continue to the cause and she will use. Thank you so much, Black Wait. I was having a plan, but my plan didn't work. Lolekia saw my plan.
My people,
she hijacked it on the way I said she don't want it to be like that.
And somebody she wants it away. Who be the only presenter who come and talk for the matter? Moi. When Enoge and that girl for France they fight for Pikin matter, I go that girl in boss, I go beg that girl. So my sister, I beg. Pikin matter no be wetin they tell they do person like this. I beg no matter what you be common children. Only me. Kro. Provide one video where you take trust say make they no fight children for the social media. Provide them. You say me want me they continue the fights. May therefore they do children. Now only me, even when they no get, they even they cost my enemy that time. I still come and give my 2 cents. I beg. Children not be waiting for people they find money for social media. Mona come out children for the matter. If they prepare for I, they prepare for ear. Koko, you say me hijack your plan.
Idiot best.
When I put them at the water, Rita or Mandisi, Matana.
Okay. Why are they better with my belly?
My can make that you want me at now. Understand? Oh, what we have around here. We have water. Mother's near work panel and food. But Monagina, a Macarano soon. A Sarah Yapia, your mammy, or Oriabe Kakapo. Okay, a colleague of Power Yang. She said, Osalopa to book and you understand? Or they don't you where or in you where. Understand? When we take any. Upania give no hair. Rita, Noria, where said I understand? Where do I need it? Even though we have to go to you and Nini. What, yeah. What your body of it? Or let your body be a matoma, who understand? On a bit back.
all the expectation money of the aspect viola temper. I do have one for prayer, I do have rest in peace. Any mamma, understand? Is your mama yaki? Okay. Rita Vera, you settle it. You have to settle. You have to settle what the best you want, pa. Understand? A Sarah way. A Tiamate ba. A Cora. What could I do back for and back, Cora? All that question. Or is it but you're not like the same thing, always with a Lolo. Even Lolo to a central in Lolo, they're going to work for Lolo, not a way. You understand? Lolo give it away. Or when a Lolo did back, just still Mate Bacora. Honor was one very Lolo Latin, your barrel, the gay Mau, in your barrel, no Mau. You understand? Umetia Bonia Mother said, who walk by Via. Bagi Arabia, Rita Ayemiomo, understand? I have a children like a man defending me, right? Or marry. But what was to look at it now? Can you return a warrior big? Cannot walk a body a big. Many Lolo Latiani, a Lolo with Sarah one, a Lolo not your heritage of where. What could I was a when all body when not to have here that with you. Or I will return or my can be like an Edward. Ni me do asa Lolo. O devil, who does say ni me that serani? You understand? Ni me do asa. Who made it? Who made it tighter and away? Rita Latin. I do him on the behalf of a Sarah. Where and no soon any asun no be and about the other can day. Does it way? You understand? I do him out to reach. I do him. After the girl true friends, no. Then you hear that a lot of walk and you walk one in the dog. I say, I'm near where saga you only a cat with now. You understand?
In what begging, you may beg it. Venezuela soon. Everywhere explaining that. Abi, Venezuela soon explain that. You may don't tell you that they say about BNE. There's no BNE. Iyobosa make me. Obuno make me. We don't like all the wish of congratulations. On la wa. Elle y a dit. Il l'a dit. On a gardé à iyobosa ni wa ni agba we saga e ma ne se la tie body bi mi ni na yomo ni mo mo
they beg. I tell Sarah, say, I'm not there for this she beg. She say, no, sister. She cry, come, say, everybody, you are abandoned now. Sister, I no good. Now, say, me don't forgive Vera. But I don't get anything to do with her. You with my brother, when I come beg. We can't say, okay. We can't still they talk. We can't still they talk. Vera, because you come, because you get me, so after that, you come beg Sarah. Make you borrow you 500 euro. You know say she get belle now. Only she dey. You wait there with ma for house. Mama. No who your baby mama. A baby mama we are wabuji. No results. Baby mama still get baby mama. The lowest one, the 01. Original baby mama. They plan their wedding. They later marry your own. No results. 0/100. You can't say that she borrow you money when you know say now unless she dey. You ask 500, she can't give you 250. What do? You carry the 250 enter native doctor house. You can't wait. 1 month can go, 2 months can go, 3 months can go, 4 months to 9 good months. For your eye kolo, God do one. What God cannot do does not exist.
I agree to the hustle. Now Vera, elder sister, they talk so. She make one statement. She said, they say she did, she did. She said Vera asked Sarah to borrow her 500 euro. Sarah give her 250, half of this 500 euro. Vera carry an alternative daughter house. She can't wait. She can't wait 1 month. She can't wait 2 months, 9 months. Can't wait. She can't born for a crocodile eye. And she no verse to Vera, elder sister. I want to ask you one question. Now you bring yourself come media. Because I don't know the first time I see you be this one. And the way it comes, so it just shows you the troublesome person. The way you take
Vera, don't you wait.
Even the wig you put for head, it shows you now. A wig getting everyone you want to live video. Sister, I go. Wherever you go in, no yari do bonia. No ya we in Vera ni Sarah me can be. I don't know. Understand? Even in no because even no travel them nowhere. Or 20 or 20 the go no 20. A Sarah is the go in Vera. If Vera na the go ni dog boy ya we ni. Ona ahe get here say TB. So also now you know do what you do on your body my ra. What you go no go ni ari dog boni. Or what your mom because the last time we checked, Vera never come on go Nigeria, and definitely some people they here they go do control from house. So definitely maybe now you ain't get that plan. That means why you dog up? You understand? Why you dog up? You understand? You have just let us understand the truth that the father say if I need VG why you boya go like me. You understand? You see the reason why I say our ancestors is working. You understand? Our ancestors is working, they are not fighting themselves. Okay, when I TikTok, she sleep. Okay, I mean, you are TikTok in a him. And I get going with TikTok. I get anyway, no, I don't know. Nasi, I TikTok, she sleep. Okay. But I feel water.
I said, Boloko,
okay.
You know, what bell? She come born. She born. The day when she born, you don't know anything. Now we did there. I did call before they bring the picking out. Or I didn't say they there. 24 hours before we tell you. When we still tell you, what you do, you can't record picking. Now we give you that privilege, we record picking. We want to know what that beg, you can't beg Nari. It is say you sharp. As you senior Sarah, and as I senior you with good 2 years. Wow, bell. See all the evil way they do. See the way you condemn your life. Your children, they Koko farm, they drink Gary Vera. Not be me saying you come out for public, can't deny your children. Not be me saying you can't use 5 children, come to 2 Vera. See, it's when you deny your children, when disgrace enter your body, you know if you get peace, you know you got keep up, and you don't go still get peace. All of us, you know, say we they take care of our children. We they take care of our children.
And that's true. Which is very, very bad. Vera born 5 children that time. My brother, the husband to all single mother. Now bring this mother come that year. Many of them now they are aware. Vera denied 5 children. Say now only 2 now born and now 5. Tell Benjamin say now 2 children get for us. And Benjamin not say now 5 children. Because they look for 5 boy, 1 lock, exactly because. Now see like. Now see like. And I can't forget, say, when I work here for those children, they get vision, they get mission of life. They are mad, they are abroad. The children, they drink Gary for Koko farm, for Okada. Wahala. The funnest part of it all, the husband, they find both for abroad. They find women, they follow TikTok. And she, they stand, they come, they fight for the husband. Women who get women, married women. As we talk now, Vera not get house for Germany. Now Benjamin is squad with now. We have that FND for Dortmund side. They're not pursuing for them. They get problem for his ass. They will come live, they'll make up, they talk. All of them get their own for his ass. I'm a live part 1 and 2. Many of them are with they watch. Una better pass all the speech. I don't want to look so. Now, if you hear their story, una want for meet. If I come one eye, if you hear story, if I come one eye, just imagine a woman that have 5 children. Yeah, about 5 years because Bola. Because of Bola, he abandoned 5 children. You see, all these women don't get love for children. Vera don't get love for children. Sarah don't get love for children. They don't get love for that family. Blessed, they don't get love for children at all. They don't get love as a mother for children. You ain't love anymore. Oh, not if you miss a quoi. Like Bewebu, the Guadigo. I believe if I be that kind of woman, When they were anyone missing, we are going on. Don't want to hear beer. I think I should focus on how to make money to take care of my 5 children. Daniel, ya go like that. Kebe bigo, agara bigo, ele kabe bigo, kaba mose bigo. When I be miss no feel kwa, you kona. Una do dem Benjamin na mai kai beer. Benjamin when I fire for when I fire born. Ana wa tongo no be miss mo, ana munyamu. When I do agime, when Vera no agime so be. When I have when miss in Nigeria, a young boy no mai kai beer, e we munyamu. No genya we. No genya we the Davido genya choma. Young boy don't like I beer, now you put for head a hawk. An able musician. No, come on, my according to what this one my ma. Your ma. If you will my like by no. The mono beer will go to abandon here because of the man. Oh, working at the have bottom of me say, I can know what in feel in the morning. That's the reason why you see they can boldly insult post children without looking back. They can boldly insult people children without they don't get human feelings. They don't even feel remorse about what they do. It's not running my worst, but no I'm more cynical. No, I'm more cynical. No one will wait. A cynical. No one will wait. Now you're 5 children.
Sarah better person. Sarah get 99% to still get married tomorrow. You wait, don't take children. 5 papa. No hope. No hope. No hope. Vera the bunch of no boy. Abandon picking. All your family don't abandon you. I make you cry. Come. We not abandon you before. Now the abandon is real now. No forgiveness again. Okay? You don't see massive celebration when people celebrate Sarah. In the pay before Sarah, but you can't see carry that your belly. Where be like call dollar come out, you say you get belly. No bell jealousy kill you there. 10 children never reach you. If you like, you born 50. We not say 5 day Koko farm now. They use chaff. Granite chaff, they drink Gary. So you won't go fight for children. 3 days ago, now my last one sell your children 15,000. When they take they cry, we hungry, won't kill us. We need kuli to drink Gary. We need kuli. If I lie, the receipt when they take say your children 15,000, when they take back kuli, we go bring the receipt out. The receipt when you take beg it for me, it to her. Say you 250, the record everything there. When you be wanted doing something for native doctor, now make you quiet. That you can say, she just born. If woman get belly, one leg go day life, one go day heaven. Now God carry the one with the heaven, put on for life. He say receive life. Now she born baby king. Wa gbeo, ewiya, awuweji, ole muroko, olokogoro. Who be you? People when they looking for my fat, they say Vera the saga. If you the saga people when don't know you, not be weak. Your saga na saga. Wa gbeo. If better know that one come and come talk, a bunch of way like that. People where they join you, now bunch of way like you. Because normal people where get sense, but not anybody will feel abandon the children can do undo.
Exactly.
Be desperate person.
Exactly. That's
to be wounded lion.
That's true. She has no joy.
Benjamin, because of him, abandon your pikin. Benjamin got pregnant married woman. Benjamin pregnant a friend wife. Wow, bewe wiya. Sarah, he can't pay. You see, say nobody saga vet.
Now, yeah. He said Benjamin go impregnate married woman. Woman with the husband as Benjamin, your best friend, wife. Benjamin could lash her, impregnate her. Oh, second, would do. Jama, that's Jama for you. Jama machine. Wala for abroad pretty. Ekia abroad na problem. It's a problematic problema.
Sarah, but you can't pepper you. But now you come last year, come there for forgiveness. Me will carry you enter house. You call they hungry. I dare say they send you money. It one they send you money. No bell like no everywhere. As you do your evil, we just look at you. The disappointment is so massive. You look at you now, Vera. Look at you. Agbomama way. If they thought say, it is say I go for buy ticket. Vera, if you buy ticket 1,001, 1,002, come Spain, I will give you hand. If I will let you buy ticket, you won't die. You know how much for ticket for this summer? You will fit chest time. Wow, now you they fight for them. I'll not fit buy ticket, come see you. As you not can go, things not can go well. Wow, now you they fight for them. We are. If I will let you buy tickets. Go see your children for Koko farm. Go see them. In Yarugbe Koko. If you wear Rugbe Koko, they use coconut granite chaff. Kuli they drink gari. Here you kuli yariga yagbo. Say an answer that day, so I just come and do this video. You understand? If I don't go and finish on task. Yagbo the summer. Obo adagbe. You want saga Vera? Sarah, let me say like one saga. Sarah na. What if they do know the rich where it is? Now people who don't know you with the saga. Evil. See all evil all over you. It's written. How can woman wey get belle where you they laugh, say man, run, leave her. You come borrow one 500, she not see 500, she still give you 250. You carry her, they run etta scatter. They go let it out of place. Wale you lere, webo. When webo say agmoye mitsan. Anybody wey like evil, they always deal with her. For we embrace good things. We embrace happiness. That is why we are happy. Sarah get 99% to marry. You know say the remaining 3 of us will remain. We don't marry. You know say na two cow my husband say marry me home and abroad. But you, amami. Your husband know the man which husband? Baby papa we no know in left and right. Never even call saying they come, make the call say we be there wait for you go call say motor enter revise, you know they. E Benjamin Roboga inside. Ere Benjamin Alandwe, Madenwe o Obuge. Madenwe. If you like, or have a picture that from anybody like that. My sister, married. They come for introduction, they come for marriage.
Oh, second one,
you go for 2 men. No introduction. You the last Sarah. Sarah, when you get one picking.
Oh, set them. Why again? They laugh. My kick by my family, we win. Yeah, we bad anyway.
She said she not feel the take care of the pikin, they take off grown up mass. Make the mark come out. It not be like when they carry government money, they give Benjamin. Benjamin, they pregnant married women. When I say they pay child benefit for married women when you pregnant. Wow, Bell Vera. I bet want to send this message to Vera. Sarah, they sleep. They take care of your baby king. If you want that, go die. We don't post the picture now because of the pikin papa will be not one poster. Anybody wey won't carry me go carry. It's too late to cry. Where will they panic if woman get belle? As far as say for una eye kolo pikin come out. What you want to? Sarah ma baby ana bioba. Or as you go native doctor, if you're present, not be say Sarah go hide for 3-4 months, we not see him. From day one, she bring out the pregnancy, she get the baby. Baby dey in a good head, mama dey in a good head. Baby dey in a good head. As you go.
Now see this useless woman, we call herself say now Sarah, that sister. You see, now one thing you say that they're very useless for family. Oh yes. Now once you just know, as you tell us, not say it also. Now once you just know, see, apart from the men. Like the latest of the that one a correct guy, that one they okay, that one normal. You see all these women, and once you know saying wow, no matter yenye. I don't just that is it. The I know I boy have finished. I be go no matter yenye. It will not support Sarah now for writing recipes on people's children. She's boldly. If na me be evil now, if na me be una, now this woman me go the beach, not be said I do. Or now what do you when we hear it? Igbo boy otinye nyawe, otinye we still na be recipes yibi ma. Yes, now let us have na Sarah's brother, now senior brother, now is senior Sarah, senior Vera. And they are senior brother.
I don't say nobody. Who wants saga me saga? So what? My happiness be say baby don't come out. Make me shaking. Wow, bell. The good work we God want, God already done. All those your own is saga. You don't have anything to say. Go and kill yourself. Your children wait the Koko farm. Go bring their comments. Make they know they use kuli drink Gary. Not be me say they deny children for a fake platform. Bell. We are.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I know say na vice versa. So long, I bet Sarah do because Sarah not even rich. How much more say you do so come from what one keep person or keep person picking. But I don't say na the one I take the verse. But I know the quarrel with you now. But you see Vera, you are an evil sister. You are heartless.
Et nous que wa yede on dan ivie ivie e ka de uvie agboya glego da ivie agbere yeke ivie ke wa de yeke da for tan anything na ma na we yak this way even na ma ivie do come we ni ma ele bi e borivi e ma mi go ta ivie ke no wa e ke no mo wo gini e ma mi go ta ivie ari edu yan reze ari da o yan yeke. Yes, are you a big? And I'm going to give you short. Are you a big? That's your body. He ain't big yiki. He ain't big for a man. All this in your wood out. Even Emma. What is bad is bad. Don't pet it. A pet it. Because a lot of women are fond of doing all those things. While I agree, you carry the children picture come and put the right recipe put, which is very bad. Every time when I hear you coming away, if you have mo, ere mo hi, fi le mo kwa, ya vie mo, ka le mo kwa vie kala wa, vie mo la wa kale kia kwa, vie mo la wa kale kia kwa, vie ma ho, vie ka le mo kwa vie kala wa. Dazi, bodasi. Ibe de bodasi, e yeso do su bodai, I call the ask question. Why this kind of thing they have for Nigeria? How can you imagine? Oh, no, you labor. We cannot understand. All these people, if you like set up a bone on the hard now. Because I remember when I did sheets, short, strong sheets. If I had to eat bread, oh, yeah, my ass they tear, they bleed. It they bleed. If I they work out, they go for the good blessing to the shoe, but I want to be comfortable. It has a power push. No talk of full human being pass because ordinary small cassava, small cap with a boss because blood will still come out. No talk of full human being head consume pass because I don't understand. Then these women go still get mind. Yeah, no but ordinary shit where they shit for toilet. I go use power push shit finish. I'll call you strength. You are helping. Yeah, no talk of how many hours for labor room. Then one man who are a picture moment like that. Who go mona te mosi nisi ai. Not to just know who trigger for man. You already recipes who post the recipes who post yeah, a voice so recipes. That's why when they beat them. You know, by well, you know, being a saga we. And you know, that the logo area, they come and they call it fight themselves. They call it bully themselves. They say, it's already born already. You know, my son. Can you just imagine the talk? We are now, maybe we run our coin. Near your ladder, tell their sister, near ladder, not do any who you are not ready if you're born. No, be recipe, by your boy will forgive you. Because of it, we argue. Before that, when you are near a good recipe, you are my way, you say, I am not supposed to. It's not we hear of Yahu. It's not a topic about stream down you. What na yana on social media, no day. Now support this one. I stand for this one. I stand for this one. I stand for this one. All stand illegal at the end of the day, it's $4,000. After all the insult, the open manyama, the only most serious way, very ugly to the family. How I mean, we are trying to I don't just know. Why nyama. Why me Vera? You want me as a Sarah? Oyina osa. And they will insult you pass, and they will bully you pass, bully children. And honestly, the Lord, every time they say stop it. Every time they say stop it, my guy. Because I see, you no give more people. Time I not stop it. No, you have no see the eye. It's not good. That's not the truth now. You always watch me for you and they always tell us, not good. Because a more boyano. Every year, no, rubbish, my can have bully. Or we don't talk about this black tire. Now the papa you go the why I bogbe if you no severe if you man ginya saga if you man woni do atebonwa you so unless we no get with your body we who etie ni wie asa so ma post we e post wie o tie ni what ni wie e man na etie ni we tie ni wie na supporting when me na tie boda akobe igbu nyanyira na akobe wu yakobo mu akobe yakobe tinya sun asasa akobe tie boda na akobe gba bere ka bijewa e musi e gato gba bere ka bijewa babo lara we yegbe yes na era no one if you ni amu ne dare gwa if you ni okinira yoru if you ni akira yoru na supporting you cause your pa cause your pa o ma tie boda wa bira ko bewa wa mo la ko be wa gboni ni unte ya wa mo ye ma ti innovate you know say e mi sha so la dia so bidia ya mu ya la dia ya mo la dia wa do zigo ni wa ti akobe na ko bere zigo na no on wa ya mara ga oni de he wa mu azela dia ne azana yeru ya gbe fo wa bu wa mu gima le go ni do zigo yi. Hello. How are you?
I did see comment section.
God bless you.
I see what you talk yours now. Concerning no get children.
Yeah.
Because they don't give me document now, I don't go give the children again. But is that one to sacrifice for them? As they don't give me document now, I leave them, I face the mama. But if mama not try again, and if you try they don't get try again. I'm not going to stop again, but based on they don't give me document, I will stop.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Wow.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Sometimes when I share this video, they want to talk to some people for this abroad. When I share this video, let me balance, let me talk some sense. That's some of our people end for this giant with me on my deal. You see, many of you are this abroad, now they one or two problems. Many. Which some of you now believe in God, now they pray to God Almighty to solve your problem. Some of you get some different attack from your family side, from your father's side, your mother's side, from your friend's side, which you don't know. And because of the clean heart some of you now get, God really stand for you now. Those prayer work. Some of you now prayer don't pursue some people, go Nigeria. Some of you now prayer don't deposit people, go Nigeria. Some of you now prayer don't send people, go RIP. Men bet no go know. You might not know. You see all these people in Nigerians, where they always they bring person, they come and say, my people, I bet maybe not join me when I support this person. Maybe not help me support this person. This person is so sick. He need to not help. My people, then nobody for Nigeria will give the person $1. Now only for abroad. Me, I don't come sit down for this my platform today. Come talk for say. Anytime I bring anybody come out for this my platform again, say make una raise $1 for them. I don't raise. I beg if I forget, make una remind me. Say I can't carry person come out now. Say I beg make una help me raise money for this person. Make we say assist this person. I beg make una remind me. Make una hear when I share this video. Una way they send me people video. You need your assistance. You need your help. I beg make una share this video. Go reach them. Don't try him. Don't try him again. Send me anybody. Picture say use your platform to help him. I know they use one to help anybody. Dey. Because some of the people where you they help, now your prayer put them for that condition where they so. You go see go to spend your money and get the rescue for that condition where they. God bless you, Bridget. I beg. Anytime your carry person come and say, make una assist this person, what remind me, Frank, go get a mutawe. Get him one la diyan, platform me. Don't worry, I will get you. And you're getting a webu. I'm not going to hear you platform, you bone. My family will want to be one. Family may marry Raveko. You understand? Now, the last one I also, from today, I am here. I was zag mo 7 years who we go. Yeah, he said, don't you? I'm dreadful. Baba, la we but man, I'm not going to live video. I want to do live video. Fancy me, yeah, share the video. Yeah, we born here. They can't live. Oh yeah. Now that will be the system for our boys for Nigeria. Now be the system where they use now. He has a drama by. Either they can play page, either they can YouTube. It's a man by. The level for them to extract money from people now. Oh, you bring this one out, bring this one story come out. The story can't touch people. You know, people they like they touch their face. So, oh, this person just so. This person was once in abroad. They can't deport him. Ya go live here. What you gonna? Other way, but what you do? But why you say patron? Olivier, no, I'm gonna go. Only Curtis. Oh, it really belong. I've been a little okay. I Jimmy. Always Jimmy cut the same cut member Curtis. Or Hunde Kofra and not deport Olivier with 4 children in Nigeria plus wife. Hunde Kofra Olivier what enu gena mi go Olivier. At the end of the day, we know the back and really way a bonoga atiri. E no gyokba, e no give by ATM machine. Or phone only you way bonoga atiri. On a year boy who wanike. Or we use something the way you do. Because you know give you some. Or where you do on a jo jam money you do. We will boost in the wobu. 1,000 plus. I will have to do it in the end. 1,000 plus. Or where we have to do it in the end. Because we have to do it 1,000 plus in the end. On our bonnet, you're not jamming yet. Do it you in. In a quarter night, one young gay. You know what me. On one hour you bona. Am I a disavio? So what are you boa? How? But really, me. Why it was a kiliji? I just an answer now. Why it was a kiliji? Can't use your platform to raise money for this person. If not, try or go now go for that person. We don't want to keep page of it. No, you have platform. We are zero. Platform national charity organization. But we may offer you money. Nonsense. You don't understand? Now you have the truth with that one. So please, I use this to take back. When not cry and enter my platform, say, I beg, this person needs help. We need to help this person. But when not try again. Hello? Hello? I brought you specially.
You help me use your platform to raise money for one saga. Ebola de pena, you understand?
Ebola
de pena.
Ebola de pena.
I want to help me use your platform to take care of some bed.
No, that can one Vera. You need to go near Vera.
Really?
May you go near Vera. May you call Vera. Vera go help you. And not be woman now. Now woman go feel that your guy.
The guy not be smoking.
Bola de pena. And that bola need to heal.
I need to heal. Need some operation.
Which country they in Nigeria? They in Europe.
Nigeria.
Oh, in Germany. go fear for now.
I'm supposed to go hospital now. The guy don't get our card. You understand? The same they do an native way. Now I see crime meeting about the smile because he know you. I see a pound. See tell you say you feel use your platform.
And he pretty big well.
The guy before the guy now 15 inches, but now it's reduced.
May go meet this girl, Rita. Rita go fear pan.
You sure?
No, Rita go fear pan. Rita like big prick.
But I don't get it number now.
Huh?
I don't get it number.
I'll find out for a page. Rita go fear pan.
Okay, thank you.
Because Rita they like big prick. They like the guy prick. He get vein. He get vein.
He get about 2 veins.
2 veins still in the bola. Rita go like that kind. Rita like him. He like that kind bola.
Okay, no wala.
Si son vein, on est ni raw. Rita va like him. What connect again? No wala. Tell me just good me just because Rita like other coastal now. You know what coastal only the beta testing bola, beta hot bola.
Wala.
No wala. Okay, fuck up. I need the guy. I don't see a president for this abroad. Oh God, what I do? So the guy needs help. He bullet the trainer. Who they are available? I direct them in the right place now. The right place now, you direct them go. Oh, sorry, Sarah. Oh, sorry. If Rita, the problem is solved. Oh, when Rita one year like bed, you're near, when Rita like a kind of what? Oh, cocaine, sit down. If you're ready, you won't be carrying as well. And when you go disappear sharply, you already want to disappear. Sharp, one hand. To the end. So, as I was saying and talking, nobody, and I will say, I see you at all. Off with Willis Kacheko. A saga that not be small tune. Let's listen to latest updates.
1, 2, 3, 4, come out. Also, this one I talk so, not so they are kind of Vera is there also. Vera television program are here, God bless you. The day here, my God will bless you as you come here. So Vera, I'm where I talk to. No matter anything, when we say Sarah and Vera don't tell to you as your own sister, and you and her come make peace, when I come they play, you they call her, she will call you, when I communicate. You never reach that level when you say because she don't tell to you, you're just making the break all those things. No, and the way she did to you and the way they talk about, so they be my sister, and you tell her people so, you get the way you take the happen. You know, it's like any way they take the happen. Yeah, Sarah, not just marry, just come. God they post your children picture. God they insult you, or God they say you the hospital you born. Make shit. Don't just break the matter. God they say that's what they saga you know. Not this way they happen. You give birth to your own first daughter for Germany. Before me, I call you, I congratulate you. The rest of them called you, they congratulate you. But inside there, when Sarah called you, now what is Sarah talk? When Benjamin here, when this Benjamin never fell no part. Now it caused problem between you and Sarah. Before you start to insult Sarah, you say now so you don't spend no money for men. Even at that issue, barren, now you bring out on social media. Now you'll be the first person who start to record that your sister and her mama here. Now you'll be the first person who start to record Sarah barren for your live video. Now from you, other presenter for copy.
Okay.
You Vera now from her. Now others for the staff call
Okay.
Say she not born, or she not feel born. No matter what you say, Sarah, do you now? Not be 1 year, or not be 2 years, not be 3 years. You are talking about 216 to 218. Now I think do all those things what I do. And you yourself when you wash, you they are aware when the matter happen. I called you, I quarrel with you. Now so I say call Sarah, I quarrel with her. Because I know if he side you, I know if he side her. I quarrel you, I quarrel with her. But she got the verse for me, you got the verse for me for that period of time. You got the verse, I say I support Sarah. Say I got the verse me, they support Vera. As I said, people now matter for me now stay clear from that issue. Because I say I should not be women when I feel sort myself out. That's why I say all those things they happen and I want to talk good. And I decide also not to call you as you start this issue. Not to say if I call you now you will pick my call. Now I do not get any issue. But I decide not to call you my sister. Why? For you to raise this matter alone, that means you get the way you take it. And inside them they complain, say your sisters they're not good. Out of 6, then only they complain, say the remaining 5 not good. That means you have to check yourself by yourself. Vera television program. Because now you tell me, say out of you and your sisters and your brother, now 6. Out of that 6, now only you always separate yourself. I wish this kind of thing happened. Early this year, you called me as a brother. You cried. You didn't like to wash me if I lied for your head. You cried when you called me, sir. You're not going to like the settings. Now then you're going to do your things. You get brothers and sisters. The people like say you don't get. I have to settle you. Conference all your sisters together and settle that issue. I will plan way forward. I will plan people to remembrance for 20 years remembrance for Moxie. That's all planned. But later, based on you, you are a chameleon. You are a chameleon. And you have to stop it. Vera television program. You have to stop your bad character. You know, say you've done the drag the family for a long time on social media. You yourself, you know, you have been dragging the family for a long time. I wish I be telling you, try and bring it down. Try me, you calm down, but you not here. You understand? So now, you see, not so Vera do you, but then I so Sarah do you because of that one. Your sister was born, never ever reached 2 days. Now you'll be the first person who will bring that come out. Then you feel say people when they have been with you now, when they clap for you, say, hey, you went on, if I do you, thank God say they do one. You feel say those people, they love you or they like you. No family for this life will not quarrel. No brother and sisters will not get issues. Now person call me just now. As soon as I done my video. He said, now so in your own siblings, that's so that they get problem. Now because they're not on media, that's why they matter not the showcase. And that one is truth. A lot of family they pass through this problem. 1, 2 of them are the phone, so now pass through now. But you know see from media like but they're not big on media. Now because say you be on media, your sister be on media, that's why any small thing will have bring that come out. But there are people, there are family with their own case is more worse than this. Do me, I do you, God no go verse. Okay, this one we can do now, which award they can give you? Which award they give you? If you say make me look what they talk now, you say do me, I do you. Wait till you they say do me, I do you, so now you made the mistake. I know say it not concern Sarah to talk about your life, but it concerns Sarah. Why? Because now your sister. Now because she interferes, say you born, you don't enter Europe 215, 216, you born. She quarreled with you, now make you start all those things. You understand? And then Sarah never even been on media, now you been on media. Now you first they bring Sarah come out before you born at all. Before the society will do what, now you bring them come out for media. So now they say do me, I do you. Okay, as you come to her now, where do you come in? Which award they can give you now? A lot of people think that you're fans, then they watch you, then they clap for you. But inside
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all my amazing people. My people, wetin una think about this video when Umenwa just do finish? Make una no fail to drop una comment on our comment section below. Tell us wetin una really think about this very video. God bless you all. And my amazing people, please no fail to like this video. It's very important. Like and share to your loved ones. Share to your WhatsApp. God bless you all. Stay blessed. Bye bye.